Didn't even know it was there. It's just another little piece of history. I do like finding these old history nuggets, but this isn't really an old one, but it says the Sir Winston Churchill Oak planted 27th of the 4th, I think that says 1965, by Miss Bessie Allen something Morville clerk to this parish, 1951-1972. So I'm actually on Morville parish. Just a little bit of history there for you guys. The Sir Winston Churchill Oak. Who'd have thought it? Have a good one, guys. This is Wildman Gaz out. A little bit of history there for you. Oi oi!